Did you know that over 60% of stocks in the market are considered undervalued? Shocking, isn't it? These are the gems that, despite their lower price points, have a lot more to offer in terms of their intrinsic value. These stocks hold immense potential for those willing to look beyond the popular picks and make strategic investment decisions. It's like finding a designer dress in a thrift, a treasure waiting to be discovered. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the top 10 undervalued stocks of 2023. If you want more value information like this, please like and subscribe. So, what are these hidden gems in the stock? Well, let's dive straight into the first half of our list. First up, we have the relatively unknown tech company, Teknova. Teknova has been quietly innovating in the background with pioneering work in AI and machine learning. Despite this, their stock price hasn't quite caught up yet. They boast a solid financial foundation and a promising future, making it a classic case of an undervalued stock, one that's priced lower than its intrinsic value. Next on our list is Energreen, a green energy company. As the world shifts towards sustainable energy, Energreen is at the forefront of this revolution. They're making significant strides in wind and solar power, yet their stock price doesn't reflect their potential. This could be your chance to invest while they're still undervalued. Thirdly, we have Genthera, a healthcare startup that's been making waves with its groundbreaking research in gene therapy. Despite having a potentially game-changing product in their pipeline, the market hasn't fully recognized their value yet. The rest of our list includes an e-commerce sector's undervalued stock and a logistics company, but we'll delve more on these later. Each of these companies is undervalued for different reasons. It could be due to market oversights, negative sentiment, or simply a lack of awareness. But one thing's for sure, they all present potential investment opportunities. Remember, investing in undervalued stocks can be a way to buy a dollar for 50 cents. It's like finding a designer dress at a thrift store or a rare book at a garage sale. These stocks may not be glamorous, but they could offer significant returns if their true value is realized. This is only half of the list. Stay tuned to discover 5 more undervalued stocks that could skyrocket your portfolio. Ready to unearth more hidden treasures in the stock market? Let's explore the remaining 5 undervalued stocks that have been stealthily navigating the market, waiting for discerning investors to unlock their concealed potential. First up, we have TechTitan, a tech startup that's pioneering inventive solutions in the field of artificial intelligence. Despite their groundbreaking work, they've been largely overlooked by the market. This is predominantly because of the nascent nature of AI, leading to a hesitance among market players to invest in such unknown territory. But don't let this dissuade you. TechTitan's unique approach to AI, along with their exciting pipeline of products, makes them a potentially profitable investment. Next, we have Eco Innovations, an eco-friendly manufacturing company. Their dedication to sustainability and carbon neutrality has been outshone by bigger, more established players in the sector. Yet their innovative green solutions and commitment to a greener planet position them as a strong contender in the long run. Thirdly, we have HealthLink, a healthcare company that's revolutionizing telemedicine. While the market has been zeroing in on the big pharmaceutical firms, this gem, HealthLink, has been clandestinely making progress in a post-pandemic world where telehealth is becoming the standard. Our fourth pick is a fintech company that has been undervalued due to market uncertainty. Despite this, their strong financial technology solutions and growing global customer base suggest they're a force to be reckoned with. Finally, we have an education tech company. While the market generally undervalues EdTech, this company's innovative learning platforms and increasing user base make them a promising prospect. There you have it, the top 10 undervalued stocks of 2023. Each of these companies, TechTitan, Eco Innovations, and HealthLink, to name a few, holds unique potential, offering innovative solutions and promising futures. But remember, the stock market is not a game of sure bets. It's about calculated risks and informed decisions. So before you race to invest, there's a crucial matter we need to discuss. Investing is not a gamble, it's a strategic game, and the most successful players always do their homework. Now, what does this homework look like? Well, it's all about research. Personal research, to be precise. It's not enough to just follow the advice of financial gurus or jump on the bandwagon of popular investments. You need to dig deeper and make informed decisions based on your own findings. So, how do you conduct this personal research? There are several key areas to focus on. First, understand the company. What does it do? How does it make money? Is it in a growing industry? You wouldn't buy a car without knowing its make, model, and mileage, right? The same principle applies to stocks. Next, look at the company's financial health. Go through their financial statements. Are they profitable? Do they have a healthy balance sheet? These numbers will tell you a lot about the company's stability and potential for growth. Then, take note of the stock's price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This is a simple way to compare the price of a company's stock to its earnings. If the PE ratio is lower than other companies in the same industry, it could signal that the stock is undervalued. But it doesn't stop there. Stay updated with the latest news about the company and the industry. Is there a new CEO? Are there upcoming regulations that could affect the business? These factors can also influence the stock's value. Finally, consider your own financial goals and risk tolerance. Are you investing for long-term growth, or are you looking for short-term gains? Are you comfortable with high-risk, high-reward investments, or do you prefer safer, steady growers? Your personal circumstances should also guide your investment decisions. Remember, investing isn't about trying to make a quick buck, it's about growing your wealth over time. And the best way to do that is by making informed strategic decisions. Remember, knowledge is power. Equip yourself with it before you dive into the world of investing. Now that you're armed with these potential gold mines and the tools to research them, what's next? Well, the next step is to consider investing. It's time to seriously think about allocating some of your resources to these undervalued stocks. But before you dive in, let's take a moment to talk about the potential benefits and risks. When you invest in undervalued stocks, you're essentially buying shares at a discount. You're investing in a company that you believe is worth more than its current market price suggests. This means that if the stock's value rises to match the company's real worth, you stand to make a profit. And when that happens, it's like finding a diamond in the rough. It's a rewarding experience, and not just for your wallet. But let's not forget that investing in the stock market is not a guaranteed route to riches. It's important to remember that while these stocks are undervalued, there's no guarantee they'll rise in price. The market is uncertain, and it's influenced by a multitude of factors, some of which are beyond anyone's control. This is where the concept of diversification comes in. By spreading your investments across a variety of stocks, you can mitigate risk. If one stock underperforms, you're not left high and dry. Remember, even the most successful investors don't put all their eggs in one basket. Also, consider your own risk tolerance and financial goals. Are you saving for retirement? A down payment on a house? A dream vacation? Your investment strategy should align with your personal goals and how much risk you're willing to take on. Finally, it's worth noting that investing in undervalued stocks requires patience. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about identifying value, making a calculated decision, and then waiting for the market to recognize that value. Remember, the stock market isn't about quick gains. It's about long-term growth. Invest wisely, and you may just find yourself sitting on a gold mine. We've covered a lot today, haven't we? We embarked on a thrilling exploration of the stock market, unearthing the top 10 undervalued stocks of 2023. We delved deep into the hidden potential that these stocks hold, the kind of potential that can truly transform your financial future. Remember, these undervalued stocks are not just tickets to potential profit, but also a testament to the power of careful research and strategic decision-making. They are the result of thorough analysis, patience, and a keen eye for opportunity. They represent the crux of investment wisdom, buying low, selling high, and keeping a pulse on the market trends. We've also stressed the importance of personal research. It's essential to understand that every investor has unique goals and risk tolerance. What may be a golden opportunity for one might be a risky venture for another. Therefore, tailor your investment strategy to your personal financial situation and goals. And finally, we've encouraged wise investments. Investments that are not just about making a quick buck, but about building a sustainable, long-term wealth strategy. Investments that help you grow, learn, and navigate the financial landscape with confidence and savvy. So are you ready to uncover the hidden gems of the stock market? The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Make that step count.